It's just a short video on pitch mark education and repair of pitch marks. So when your ball hits the green, it obviously leaves an indentation with the high side where the balls hit the green, okay? The easiest way is to come from behind the pitch mark with your pitch repairer, and we twist it in from the back to the front, okay? After that, we just grab our putter or club and we just tap it down. Doesn't take any time at all, and we've got a repaired pitch mark and the green is back to perfect condition.